Hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel! Malunggay Aquino po. Today I'm going to show you how to clean our makeup brushes. Once in a while, we should clean our makeup brushes too. I will show you what are the things needed. These are the things needed. Shampoo, any kind of shampoo, transparent glass, and our blower to dry the brushes after. So let's proceed, guys. First of all, you have to fill your glasses, your transparent glasses, water like this. And you put the shampoo just a little only, and then one by one you dip the brushes here like that, or maybe here, better here. You shake the brushes in the water. You see the water turns brown. How dirty is my brushes. I have to do this again. I will put shampoo again. Oh, I put a lot. And also the other brushes. And the other, so I will leave it for a few seconds. So the shampoo will go inside the brush. Shake, shake lang. Shake, shake, shake. I didn't shake, but the water is turning blurred. Just like that. From the foundation. So I will throw again the water. Guys, here are some of my brushes, my makeup. So guys, I'll throw the water. And now we will rinse one by one. Hindi pala nakatama yung camera. Sorry guys. I think it's less dirt now. Then after the water, the refill again. Shake again with the water. Yeah, it's less dirt now because I can see that the water is clear. Not very clear, but it's enough to say that the dirt is less. Sorry na nabubulol ako. Now it's clear. Put it there, set you aside. Okay guys, and then guys, I will dry it with a blower, but it's very noisy, so I will dry little and then later I will dry it not in the camera, so you will not hear the noise, but I will show you how to dry it. I'll open the blower. Okay. Like that. I will continue later the drying with my blower because it's too noisy. Guys, if you're new to my channel, please like, share and comment and subscribe also, and please don't hit and please hit the bell button so that you will be notified for my new vlogs. And it's shout out time. I shout out Red Marlet, Ting Ting Vlogs, Peachy Vlogs, Kusina ni Rose, Princess Glam Makeup, Ramley Arts. Ramley Arts has amazing talents. He has a very good hands in drawing. Mama Key or Kai Vlogs, Keeping Up with Imelda, Pinay Check. Hello Pinay Check. KWC Gallery. Congrats for being a newly monetized channel. Salamin ng Buhay. Hello, friend. Salamin ng Buhay. Mask and Glasses Review. And from Team Tagumpay, Cats Vlogs. Hello, Cats Vlogs. Pakita ka na. Tita Tits, May Sunshine USA, A Bit of Everything channel. Hello, friend. My Loves Lisa, Roy's TV, and to my high school friends that I forgot to shout out last time. Here they are. Cynthia Hangod from the US, Victor Idrosalan also, our president in our high school class, LV Dionisio, Bill Pineda, Rick Medina, and Tony Rementilla, and Fergie Salameda also. Those are my classmates in high school. See you guys soon. And that's for now. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless us all. Mwah.